What is up, everybody? Mr. Slipcover Bullet Blake here. I have my Arrow unboxing for the Shootist today, their new release of it. I think I anticipated this being a different type of release, but it's a movie I would have bought anyway. But it's super light, so I'm thinking that it's not the deluxe style like the Conan and Tremors and all those have been. But still excited to open it, and we're just going to jump in. Alright, looks really good. I really dig the artwork they used for this. The whole vintage style, like oil painting look. It's great. I don't know why I thought this was going to be in one of those rigid boxes. Maybe the artwork on the website made me think that, but I don't know. But either way, still good. John Wayne was an icon for me growing up, so pretty much whenever I see his movies go up with a cool slipcover edition, I have to pick it up. And Arrow obviously does really well on this. There's a shitload of special features on here. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this one actually. It's not one of his better movies for me. Like personally, this is more towards the bottom, especially like it was towards the end of his career, and it's still a good movie. It's just not like on par with Chisholm or McClintock or True Grit or any of those. But still, really cool movie. There it is. It's obviously... Oh, wow. Stuff's all over the place in here. Okay, so we got these cool cards. That's the back side of them. See if we can get these up there in focus. Pretty cool. Right on. Those are cool. It does have a little booklet in here as well. Oh, really? Promo cards. But here's the book. Cast and crew, about the restoration, production credits, John Wayne's farewell to the screen. So, essay, got some stills. I won't be wronged. I won't be insulted. I won't be laid a hand on. I don't do these things to other people, and I require the same of them. Right on. I'll actually probably take the time to read through this just because, like I said, I'm a really big John Wayne fan. And I like that artwork a lot. Is that the reverse, actually? It sure is. So, honestly, I'm going to switch it to that just because the slipcover is the other one anyway. Something about that old vintage look. I really dig it. So, also came with a poster in there as well, which looks like it's just going to be the cover artwork. Which if I had to hang one, it would probably be that one. But that's pretty cool too. Of course, I don't hang my Arrow posters. Just because they're like an awkward shape in the frames. Still, and I think I'm going to enjoy revisiting this movie. I haven't watched it in probably 20 years, to be honest. So, if not longer than that. But it's got some heft to it. Arrow editions are never disappointing. But yeah, limited edition, The Shootist from Arrow Video. Hell yeah, I'm gonna watch this tonight. But that's actually all I have. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And until next time, have a good day.